It seems like Cardano is stuck in the bearish market. Hopes that the Vasil update will help to boost ADA's price to $1 were not justified. Even issuing its own stablecoin didn't change the situation, because almost right after the launch, DJED's price dropped below $1. Will Cardano's price continue its downward trajectory? How much ADA coin will be worth in 2025 and 2030? Let's try to find out. Quick intro for those who didn't know much about Cardano. Cardano is a quickly developing project that solves the problems of scalability and speed of transaction processing. Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano, is also one of the co-founders of Ethereum. This gives Cardano a strong foundation on experience and expertise in the field of blockchain technologies. Cardano uses a proof-of-stake consensus algorithm that makes its network more environmentally friendly and cost-effective to run. Nowadays, ADA coin is among the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. The emission of the ADA cryptocurrency is 45 billion coins, and 77% of the total supply has already been mined and released to the market. At the beginning of 2023, the developers of the Cardano project are adding tools for creating cross-chain applications to their smart contract programming language. An algorithmic stablecoin for the DeFi ecosystem has also been launched. The developers believe that it will be the most stable among competing projects. But as we mentioned before, things were not so smooth with the DJED lately, as its price dropped below $1 almost after the launch. We have asked the analyst of SimpleSwap about the possible reasons for such a drastic decrease, and here are the answers. DJED's short-term unpegging happened due to a lack of liquidity. This deviation can be related to the formation of a new project of algorithmic stablecoin. DJED differs significantly in its approach to providing and implementing technology from the crashed stablecoin of the Terra blockchain, USD. Besides Shen, the developers are planning to complete the list of collateral assets with BTC and ETH wrapped in the Cardano network in order to fix the peg to the dollar. Also, let's not forget that popular USDT and USDC centralized stablecoin projects with fiat collateral and securities packages also have the possibility of short-term deviation from the US dollar. So basically, the DJED drop shouldn't be considered a huge anomaly, and those who bought DJED better be patient and wait till it stabilizes. Now let's try to analyze the price of ADA and predict its price in the upcoming years. We're going to use the Fibonacci levels on the logarithmic chart of weekly time frame of Cardano's coin ADA. When predicting the price, we need to take into account the emerging bullish macrocycle of BTC and the increase in investor interest in the project due to useful cross-chain updates and the launch of its own algorithmic stablecoin, which has yet to prove its stability. Based on the Fibonacci levels, we can assume that by the year 2023, the ADA's price will reach the yellow level of 0.5 within the range of $1.2 to $1.6. If the development team's activity continues and the confidence of the crypto community and large investors in Cardano's stablecoin grows, we can assume an increase in bullish sentiment in the price of ADA. If we take into account the Fibonacci levels of the 2021 bullish trend, we can assume that in 2025 the Cardano's price will likely reach the yellow level of 0.5 from $5.8 to $7.5. Under favorable conditions, such as the growth of the DeFi ecosystem and the applicability of the Cardano stablecoin, as well as the ADA cryptocurrency, accompanied by the addition of new features and the development of cross-chain capabilities, investors might focus on investing in this project. Let's also use the Fibonacci levels of the 2021 trend and determine the price range that the ADA coin can reach. Based on these assumptions, by the year 2030, the ADA price can range from $14 to $27. Today, we can confidently say that the Cardano project is developing steadily and may still surprise every crypto analyst. If you're interested in ADA price predictions, it is very important to stay well informed about all sorts of updates in the Cardano ecosystem. However, we would like to remind you that the price predictions are hard to make. Cryptocurrencies are being influenced by various factors. We can only suppose looking at the trends we witness today. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.